Most people get this wrong when comparing Cash Giraffe and Rewarded Play. They see one person claim they earned rewards faster on a particular app and assume they'll get exactly the same results. But here's the truth no one tells you. Reward speed depends on much more than the app itself. In this video, we'll compare Cash Giraffe and Rewarded Play in 2026, look at the factors that affect earning speed, and help you decide which platform may be a better fit for your goals. Let's get straight into it. Both Cash Giraffe and Rewarded Play are reward-based gaming apps. The basic concept is simple. You discover games through the platform, spend time playing eligible titles, and earn points or rewards that can eventually be redeemed through available reward options. At first glance, they seem very similar. However, the experience can be different depending on your location, device, game selection, and available promotions. Here's a quick win. Before comparing earning speed, check which games are available on each app. The games you receive often have a bigger impact on your progress than the app's name. For example, Alex opens Cash Giraffe and finds several games he enjoys playing daily. Jake opens Rewarded Play and discovers games that match his interests. Even though they're using different apps, both may progress efficiently because they're consistently engaging with games they actually like. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on potential rewards and ignore game quality. If you don't enjoy the games, you're less likely to stay active, which can reduce your overall progress. This is where most people fail. They chase earning claims instead of evaluating the actual user experience. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reward speed isn't always measured by how many points you earn in one day. A more useful comparison is how quickly you reach your first redemption goal. Some users find one platform easier to understand, while others prefer the game selection offered by the other. Here's another quick win. Track your progress for a few days on each app. Record how many points you earn, how often new opportunities appear, and how close you get to your first reward. This gives you real-world data instead of relying on screenshots from strangers online. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose. Ask yourself 3 questions. Which app offers games you genuinely enjoy? Which app feels easier to navigate? And which one helps you make consistent progress toward rewards? The answer usually reveals the better option for you. The most important thing to remember is that no app guarantees identical results for every user. Availability, promotions, region, and gameplay habits can all influence your experience. Let's recap. Cash Giraffe and Rewarded Play both provide opportunities to earn rewards through gaming, but there's no universal winner when it comes to speed. The faster paying option for you depends on your available games, activity level, and overall experience. If this comparison helped you, leave a comment sharing which app you're currently using, hit the like button, and subscribe for more reward app comparisons, tech tutorials, and earning app guides.